So yeah, I got this from like I think someone wore it. Yeah, yeah. Some old man gave it to me, and he was in the RAF, but now he drinks a lot of vodka. So I think he's got well he's yeah. So he gave it to me, you know. But that's the case. You see that? That's what he looked like. They masked his what do you call it? Facial structure. So that's what he looked like. But yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Hi, this is me again today. How do you like it though? You like it a lot? Wait a minute, let me just you like it a lot, you get me? Oh jeez, yeah, I found this in like a church basement. Yeah, I went in because I had to go, like, it get me, like, I don't really, you know, because, yeah, so I was in like a church, and I found it in a church basement for some reason, so I decided to pick it up, and now, it's, you know, it's on my face. Well, yeah, I'll be back in a minute.